Are you looking for a fun place to go with your family or friends? Well, Louisiana is a great place to go that is full of life, culture, animals, and fun. Stay tuned to find out more information about why you should make Louisiana your next place to visit.
Louisiana was the 15th state to join the United States on April 30th, 1812. Louisiana's state capital, Baton Rouge, was not part of the Louisiana Purchase. It was actually bought with Florida. The Louisiana Territory was bought from France in the Louisiana Purchase for $15 million.
The state of Louisiana is named after King Louis XIV. Louisiana has the tallest state capitol building in the United States. The Capitol building in Louisiana is 450 feet tall with 34 floors. The Capitol building is located in downtown Baton Rouge. An interesting fact about the state Capitol building is that it only took 14 months to build it.
Louisiana is covered in sea-level salt marshes that stretch along much of Louisiana's constantly changing Gulf of Mexico coastline. From there, the land gently rises into wide prairies with few rolling hills. The Mississippi River Delta is literally covered by silt deposited by the Mississippi River as it slows down and enters the Gulf of Mexico. This process continually and slowly extends Louisiana's land further into the Gulf, meaning the salt marshes created have provided a fertile breeding ground for crab, fish, and shrimp as it stretches farther into the Gulf. Louisiana's lowest point is New Orleans. It's actually 8 feet below sea level. Its highest point is 500 feet above sea level, which makes it about halfway in between Emporia and the ocean. Louisiana's state flower is the magnolia. A magnolia is a white flower that is super fragrant, and it grows on the end of a tree branch, and it actually existed before bumblebees. It's pollinated by beetles. The state bird is a brown pelican. It can dive into the water from 30 feet in the air to catch prey. Its expandable skin in its throat can hold up to 3 gallons of water. The state reptile is, of course, an alligator. It has a broader head than a crocodile, and its tail makes up half of its body length. It moves slow on land but is super quick in the water. It likes to live in freshwater swamps and marshes. The state animal is a Louisiana black bear. It is actually under threat as a species because they have been exterminated throughout other southern states, especially Texas. They can travel for very long distances, are omnivores, eat berries, seeds, insects, and fish.
A great family and kid-friendly attraction is the Audubon Butterfly Garden and Insectarium in New Orleans. It is the largest freestanding American museum that is dedicated to insects. It has over 50 live exhibits and is 23,000 square feet. Some of the insects you could expect to see are butterflies, bees, beetles, tarantulas, and ladybugs. Some things you learn while there is what makes the insects the building blocks of all life on our planet, what a Louisiana swamp is like, and you'll be captivated by thousands of butterflies in the butterfly garden. Another fun attraction is airboat swamp tours that are held in Louisiana. During these airboat swamp tours, you can see alligators, turtles, snakes, and sometimes even bald eagles. Airboats can travel fast on the water. During the swamp tour that I have been on, the tour guide fed the alligators marshmallows and hot dogs and would make them jump out of the water in order to get them. In this picture here, you can see the alligator has a marshmallow on its head. The tour guide called this the alligator's top hat. Another attraction that is great for families and friends is the Big Easy Bayou Tour. This tour will last about 2 hours and is the perfect kayaking tour for first-time kayakers. Children of all ages are welcome. On this tour, you will visit several different neighborhoods that have beautiful architecture and history that will have you feeling as if you are traveling through time. Louisiana has a festival that takes place each year known as Mardi Gras. It is an ancient custom that was originally started in Southern Europe and now takes place in several states throughout the United States. It celebrates food and fun just before the 40 days of Lent, which is a Catholic time of prayer and sacrifice. Mardi Gras is also known as Fat Tuesday. The first Mardi Gras festival that took place in New Orleans was held in 1837. Baton Rouge uses the pink flamingo as its mascot during Mardi Gras, where they hold a flamingo boat race. Hopefully this video has you excited to visit Louisiana. This is a great state and a place that everyone should visit no matter how old you are. You won't regret making the trip down, and you'll be guaranteed to make memories that last a lifetime.